Okay, well, it's the next day, it's time to continue the video. And yeah, I tried to fix OBS a little bit so that we got less of these weird pixelating when actually flying around. I cannot promise anything, but it might be better. Regards my voice, no changes, that stays as yesterday, maybe a little bit more quiet, who knows. Point is, I moved this stuff around a bit yesterday, so there we got plenty of space to actually put stuff here and then connect these together, but I will probably need to put more space here. I actually rotate this again so that we got it in a 90 angle here. That's actually better, but first, oh yeah, I should actually move that away now, because there's no way to fit a branch unit over here. Well, there is, but I'm lazy. So it's time to move this around, and yeah, 90 degree and something like rotate 90 and a little bit over here and then paste, and that should do the job. So then, now that's out of the way, it's time to finish. No, let's continue the CPU, not yet finish, because there's like such a thing never finished, you know, needs code first. Anyway, this part is straightforward. This is just the attachment to the ROM, and that means I'm just gonna put a big fat ROM here, not very big actually, and this thing called PC over here, and then yeah, we're gonna attach that stuff together. And yeah, how to jump actually. If you want to jump, you normally put like the address in the ROM where you want to jump, because we're not having weird stuff like method jumping and stack and stuff. We can just keep it simple. We just have instructions. These go into the program counter, and that's it. Really straightforward. And I think I'm gonna use a piston PC because I'm really lazy in that regard. I have not built one in a long time, so that may fail, but it may also succeed, who knows. Point is, we need flags and a branch unit. And yeah, I think we need 3 binary teaching thing, that. Okay, I think we're gonna need 3 more bits for the 3 conditions, which I have. That's really straightforward, and it's not straightforward. It's what I did in the other one in the learning area, the 5-hour CPU. Yeah, for that I need some yellow. Yellow is good because there's no yellow over here. I'm just gonna put it over here, and boom, there we go. So this is gonna be the 3 conditions we have, which is bigger equal smaller, and if you combine these you say smaller and bigger, and then it would mean it's not equal. And on the other hand, you can combine these as you please. Of course, if you check all of them, then you will not jump, and if you check none of them, no wait, if you check all of them, it will jump. And well, whatever, it doesn't really matter, because you don't need the 1 or the 0 case for all of them. But it's good to have like a 0 flag. To do that, one actually needs to like get all these signals from here, but not that signal over there, so the one on top. To do this, well, basically let's just use this fancy tool again, and just change this here to this. So now it should be quite easy to actually grab the signal from it. Yeah, we need another color for that. Okay, gray this time. I'm just gonna put it like so, and that means whenever one of the bits is on any of these, we're gonna have a signal over here. So this is the 0 flag. So if this is off, then we got 0. If it's on, we have not 0. That is super fancy, because if you're doing a subtraction and both of the numbers are equal, you obviously get 0. So for equation, which is this one, you just want to check that one and want that there's either carry or no carry. I'm unsure about that. Well, whatever. I'm gonna just get this signal over and like so. No, like this. And then there we go. So this is the carry or the overflow. Name it as you like. There's a defined difference, but I don't like the official terms, so I'll just go there and give it my own names. The question is, why is this on? Huh. Okay. Let's not allow this because reasons. There we go. Now it's off. But if it's on, where does the signal reach to? Somewhere here. So there we go. On, and then disable this again. So there we go. So that is our overflow whenever the thing here outputs something. And you can actually, why was that lagging now? Took a while to press it. So just invert one and put one of these in here, and you see this is on. So this would be 0 minus 0, which is which has the carry on, the overflow on, because that's how subtraction works. That just means if it's on, it's a positive number or 0. So what we want to check equation is to just check this one, because this only is a 0 when we don't have any output. The question is, on the other hand, why is this on again? Why? Okay, this is on because this is not off. Huh. So this is on for a reason. Why is this on? Have I mentioned that I hate folded it for reasons? I mean, like, why? Why is it doing that? OMG. Okay, so apparently we got some issue. Oh no, I'm just gonna like use word edit for that, even though it's big meanie. Stack 7 and that I gonna copy and okay, that's an issue now. Okay, I will not copy it. Oh, actually, okay, it's easy to do. Just copy this, expand 2 in that direction, and stack that with option -A. There we go. So this is exchanged now. It should actually be super easy now to reset these. Oh, there we go. It works again. Okay, that's not how it works. That's also not how it works. There we go. So great. Okay, this all are resetted now. Good. That's conditions in which I can work with. On the other hand, there's a problem, design problem, and that is that these are all on. This is supposed to be off. Means I did big crap over here. Which is really bad. Okay. So yesterday I was tired. Let's confirm that. These all are supposed to be off. It's not. The arrows are in the wrong direction. Oh gosh. The fix on the other hand is quite simple, except I have to mess with these wires. I can just lift all these decoders up one and then attach a torch to that face. So first of all I'm gonna get rid of these here. Oh, so much for that. I actually cannot move this up one, but I can use the same technique as below. So that means I'm just gonna forcefully move all that stuff up, and to do that I'm just gonna cut these wires here and grab this one. Let's hope it's not the whole CPU, but it should not be. Oh, actually, let's do it like this. Much better. And just move one up. There we go. So now it's super easy to fix the issue because we can just go like this. There we go, fixed. Oh, we need to do the same for this one. And obviously we need to fix all the wires. So much for that. So like this. That's how the wire will be over here. Yep. Okay, so this is connected again. Let's connect this one again. That's a little bit tricky because we adjusted these along with that, so I actually don't want to change that anymore. But I'm probably forced to do that if there is no neat trick to actually get these connected again. Yeah, great. That's what I meant. Good that I haven't placed repeaters yet. But is there a way to somehow fix this without going through this pain? Well, why can't I do it? It's not that much of an issue. Maybe it's more pretty in the end, who knows? So this at least matches. But it would be nice to get this one kind of out of the way, which is kind of tricky, because then these here are a little bit too connected. But I can get rid of this one and just put a block there and one here to see that this is not working, which is kind of an issue. Oh well, there's always a way to solve this. And the most easiest would probably to move all these, but ain't gonna do that. Nope, ain't gonna. Gun be off. Okay. This one is highly in the way. It would be good to have this one more on the outside, even though this costs us SS. It's still maybe worth it. Yeah. Someone branded my build. I'm sure he cannot do these fancy wires. Okay, maybe. Who knows? Okay, point is, I need to get this stuff like here. Then it's not in the way. Also, this again costs us SS. Everything costs SS in here. Pretty expensive unit. So the highest one is on that side. This one is the middle, and there we got this fella, which is as straightforward as before. Just gonna put it like this. But then we have issues to actually get the other one through here. Maybe there's a way to do that. For example, well, why not? Apparently this works just fine. So just gonna keep it. But this one has to go like weird ways. Or actually, let's just put it like here. I can also lower this line then. Not much of a change, but that's kind of bad because this is not working. So this will do the job. This is not pretty. Not on a bed. Maybe like so. At least I got rid of this beard extension over here. So this might be okay. Not really aesthetic. But okay, I guess. On the other hand, I have to move this whole thing in that direction by 1. And actually I can bring that 1 to that side too. For the reason that we now change the the way that this here powers that line. Means we can easily just put the torches over here. And now we have to realign the inputs again. I have to. Well, that's no big deal. There we go. Yep. And suddenly the whole thing is much more pretty now. One size forward. It's still not perfect, but it's not bad, though. I can live with this. And then I only have to fix this one, this last remaining part. Gonna grab the whole thing. I can do that by first clearing my inventory, then grabbing this fellow like so. Oops, that was no good. Like so. Move it out one without failing. Good, I failed. And that is all torches, if I recall correctly. 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay. At this point I can actually put this back to where it used to be, and even put another layer on top. Oh, now I need a bunch of these slabs and can just put them there and I'm done. Obviously that has the issue of not being signal extended, so this will be a bit unsynced, which is not okay. So when doing the signal strength later on, this will be modified anyway. Okay, there's a packet for me.